Well, hello there again, friends. Today is 12/18/2022, and I figure I'd just come on here and get on the bandwagon everyone else is getting on with this ChatGPT and give a little video and give my take on it after doing some research. And I'm sure you guys have heard about it. If not, this is basically an AI, artificial intelligence, machine learning chatbot algorithm that you can ask it questions and it will do its best to answer, and it is quite a tool, and kind of scary in the fact that how good it actually is at answering questions. I'll go through an example here showing you what it from our world in the dev world of what the power of it and how it's capable of answering questions. So in case you haven't heard about it, so yeah, like I said, pardon my Tourette's there. ChatGPT is an open source OpenAI project from OpenAI.com, and it is a chatbot that has AI and machine learning in the background. And I'm going to ask it a question here. I'll just type it live with you, since we're all learning to be devs here. We're going to ask it to write a React app that searches an array and displays the results to the screen. Write a React app that searches an array and displays the results to the screen. Simple yet kind of descriptive. You know, we'll see what it says. Sure, here's a basic example of a React app that searches an array and displays the results to the screen. Okay, we see it importing React, use state component from React. Okay, it's creating a function, a component called app. Creating, okay, it's destructuring a search query with use state, doing a destructure again, and it's declaring an array of items to search through, making up an example of apples, banana, orange, grape, and mango. Okay, it's creating a function to define the handle, and then it's setting the search results to filter through, and then it's doing the return here with the return div with the input of the text box for the search query. And it says this app renders an input field and a button. When the user types in the input field and clicks the button, the app filters the items array based on the search query and results in the browser. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions. So you can actually have a continuing dialogue. Say this wasn't exactly what you wanted, and you wanted the chatbot to expand on, or expand on this a little bit more. Say you wanted to be a little more declarative, and you could type in, hey, add in a field for name. Let's see if that does anything. So it's kind of a conversational chatbot. Please add an input field for the user's name. Let's see if it does this. This is not scripted. I've not tried this, so see if it does it. Certainly, here's an updated version of the app that includes an input field for the user's name. Okay, there it is right there. Yep. Declaring a state variable for the user's name and set the initial value to an empty string. Oh, wow. Okay. And we may get a network error here because this code might get a little bit longer. We'll see if it finishes. Sometimes there's like a max limit on the amount of characters it can respond back with. So it's still in the beta version. It's free to make an account with these guys. Just Google openai.com or go to openai.com and you can create a free account. Unfortunately, at this point, they make you sign up with a valid phone number and email address. You can't just chat away with it. I think it's just because it's in beta. They want to be able to track the users and the responses, and continue with the feedback, hoping that you'll give them feedback so that the machine learning can become smarter or better over time with more adjusted answers. It says, this app now includes 2 input fields, one for the user's name, one for the search query. The name input field is controlled by the name state variable, and the search input field is controlled by search query. I hope this helps. So yeah, and the title of this video and the point I'm trying to make here is, I was thinking for a while, and I was thinking, okay, this is going to be a job killer. A junior dev job killer, like for all of us who are learning, and this chat is going to take over the world. It's not, I mean, you guys see it right here. I mean, it's not crazy to think that. I mean, it's elegant. It did this in what? I did it live with you, what, 3 minutes? It typed all this, and it would take us junior devs quite a while, some of us shorter, some of us longer, to be able to write all this out and make it work. Now, of course, there's other things that are involved here, right? You know, this is, right, guys, this is just the React portion. You know, it's not a full-fledged application. You know, you need a Webpack and the whole 9 yards. But this is impressive. Let's not understate that. But I see a lot of YouTubers out there in videos, and they're just, sorry, my Tourette's. I don't know if it's clickbait or what, but they're saying things like, "Oh, all the dev jobs are going to be gone, and all the junior devs are going to be gone, and this will replace them, and they'll just have senior people on the teams that'll Google or use Chatbot for this low-level helper apps and helper functions, and there'll be no need for junior devs." I don't think that's true, because I initially wanted to believe that, but after some more research into this on my own, I've come to my own conclusion, and this is just my conclusion and my 2 cents of it, is I'm not going to be so pragmatic about it, and be a little more optimistic with you guys. I think this will help us learn, if anything, because this very well could kill Stack Overflow, but I don't think it's going to kill junior devs' ability to get jobs and interview well and all that, because you can use this to learn from. So if you're having a problem and you're going to Stack Overflow, instead of going to Stack Overflow, just come on here to the chatbot, OpenAI, and type in your question, and you're going to get probably a faster, better answer than what you would find on Stack Overflow, and it's probably going to be more in tune and more in line with what you're looking for response-wise. Because, I mean, this is pretty good, guys. So if you're kind of worried about this chat AI and where it's going, I wouldn't be overly concerned about it. I would still study hard, keep your head down, keep grinding, and use this tool. Use it as a tool. Don't be afraid to use it. Set up an account. And when you get stuck, when you're doing your Googling, if you're hitting Stack Overflow and you don't feel like you're getting the right responses, yeah, go out here to the chatbot and see if what it gives you. Maybe it'll give you a fresh perspective or a cleaner answer, and it might just help you along. Not saying you should or will copy the code, because I think that you don't want to cheat your learning. But whether you're doing top or whether you're doing 0 to mastery or whatever you're working on for your learning model, it doesn't really matter. Use Chatbot to your advantage, and I think it will help you learn faster and become a junior dev faster by using it side by side with your other tooling. I don't think this is going to be the end of the world. I do not think that junior devs are on the chopping block. This is just my opinion, being a little more optimistic than most of the other YouTubers out there who are putting these videos out about ChatGPT, but I'm not worried about it after doing my own research. So anyway, I just want to put this video out there. You guys take it for what it's worth. Hope you're doing well, and Merry Christmas to everybody if you celebrate that, and if not, just Happy Holidays. Love you guys. Catch you in the next one. See ya.